Hey everyone, it's Marie and welcome back to my channel. I'm doing something a little bit different today than the regular cards that I do. I wanted to share with you a junk journal that I did using mostly Canvas Corp brands products. Now I'm featuring their herbs and spices papers here that I use for the cover, and I use some of their handmade papers on the inside as well as some tissue paper and different things. I've also inserted different paper bags and different tags that I've made. Here's one tag that I've placed inside this paper bag that's just folded inside the front page, and I simply just punched a hole, added some of that Canvas Corp twine, and I love the twine from Canvas Corp brands. It comes in this little ball and it's so rustic and natural feeling. I've kind of added it to my staples in my craft room for just any of my general supplies. Now here are some more tags that I've die cut. The same one there with that herbs and spices paper, and another one with some handmade paper from Canvas Corp brands as well. I've also made this album out of number 10 envelopes. So those are the long and skinny envelopes. I have a ton of ivory ones. And since I made it with envelopes, it's got all this great pocket space inside of this junk journal that I can insert some of these papers and tags and different things. And as I use this journal, I can put different things in there. Now, one of the favorite things I put into this junk journal is this shaker page. Now, I used my We Are Memory Keepers fuse tool to fuse together some plastic, and then I put some greenery in there that I have previously dried. So this is dried leaves and twigs and things, and it kind of makes like a naturey shaker pocket, which I thought was really fun. I'm just showing you here some more of the pages that I have in my journal. Like I said, these are envelopes, so I'm showing you all that pocket space that you can get out of doing an envelope album. You can add pictures, photos, tickets, ephemera, all kinds of things that you want to save and keep. Now I have some more tags here attached to this page, and I'm just showing you all the lovely things. I love this tissue paper from Canvas Corp brands. It's a great, it's thin but not terribly thin. You can stamp on it, you can glue with it. It doesn't rip and tear as easy as some other tissue papers. And I have the tissue paper here with that French script writing, and it's an ivory with sort of brown writing. Here are some really tiny tags that I also die cut, and I just added them together and clipped them onto this paper bag pocket on the inside of my page. And here is a wooden tag that I've actually used some Canvas Corp brands color wash on. That is some paper, that is some paint, excuse me, that is meant to go on wood, and it gives it this sort of stained look without using a paint stain that has the fumes and the smell. So it's really great for using a little bit of stain in your craft room. Now here's a little booklet that I used by using a die from Spellbinders that just kind of pokes holes inside of your booklet so that you can then bind it with a needle and thread, and that's what I did, and I inserted it into my junk journal. And you'll see here I'm giving you sort of a close-up on some of these handmade papers that's inside of my journal. I love the texture, I love the speckles inside of this paper, and I think it just goes really well with that naturey theme. And I'm giving you another close-up look at some more of that paper that I used on these pages. I've also put a lot of that black and white washi tape into this journal. That's the only washi tape I used. I thought I'd make everything look a little coherent by using one washi tape. I sewed this album together, and I left some of those thread trails behind because I think that just adds to some of the charm. My front, I have some tissue paper sewed to the front in a fun little ruffle, and that's pretty much my album. It's simple, it's clean, and it was really fun to do. So thanks for stopping by, guys. Bye.